In our next tip, we're going to look at eliminating unnecessary prepositions. Did you know the Chicago Manual Style, which is often called, for better or for worse, the Bible of American publishing, really only recommends one preposition for every 10 to 15 words. For example, here's a 10-word sentence with 2 prepositions. The rookie politician responded to the unfounded allegations with great anger. Now, following the Chicago rule, one of those prepositions has got to go. So you would write, the politician responded angrily to the allegations. Without that extra preposition, it's clearer and stronger. Now, in this next example, I want you to notice how this 10-word statement, she was disturbed by the violent images in the movie, gain impact when you eliminate that last preposition. She was disturbed by the movie's violent images. And I want you to note that making a noun possessive to avoid a prepositional phrase is a common technique for eliminating these excessive prepositional strings. For example, here's another one. The number of wasp survivors after spraying was a reflection of the potency of the chemical. That's a very common kind of academic construction that you're going to see, but it can be easily reduced to the number of wasp survivors after spraying reflected the chemical's potency. You see how making a noun possessive allows you to avoid that prepositional string. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you want more of these 10 tips, please check out this playlist and it will give you access to all 10. Okay, see you in the next video.